Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to speed up video in CapCut. It's very simple guys, just follow my steps and I will show you how to do it step by step. First thing you need to do is import your footage, so I will import this girl footage, then place it on your timeline. As you can see, it is pretty slow, so we want to speed it up as normal. So select it, then go over to this speed tab, and this normal, and as you can see it is 1.0x speed, so you can make it faster just by increasing this slider to 2.0, and as you can see it is now 2 times faster, and you can do as well 100 times. As you can see, it's pretty quick, you can't even see it. So I will do 4.2, as you can see how fast it is now. Down here you can select by duration, so let's say you want to make it 10 seconds long, so it will make it 10 seconds long and adjust these times to match the 10 seconds, as you can see. And down here you have option to voice tone change, so if you want to change voice tone or not when you are slowing it down or making it speed up. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.